site-wide, we're given three options of expanded nuclear weapons programs, hypocritically called the no-action alternative. Then we're presented with yet more expanded nuclear weapons programs, and the third alternative is even more expanded nuclear weapons programs. So once again, I'm running out of time. But what we really need is a genuine alternative in this site-wide. I hope that citizens will repeatedly bring this up. We need a true alternative in which the U.S. begins to show global leadership towards nuclear disarmament that it promised to in the Non-Proliferation Treaty, and that should be reflected in this site-wide, which shows just passive maintenance of the stockpile. We don't need PIP reduction because it's for new designs, not to ensure the safety and reliability of the existing stockpile. So again, the U.S., for our own national security and global security, we need to lead the world towards global nuclear disarmament. And this site-wide EIS does the opposite.